Welcome back to this week's video. Today we are going to a humongous dirt bike riding extravaganza. We're going camping for the whole weekend. It's gonna be awesome. If you know where we're going, please don't say anything in the comments. The owner wants to keep this low key, but we got basically everyone that comes riding with us going, and it's gonna be a humongous fun weekend. I gotta take all of this stuff and load it up into the Rompmobile. So once I do that, I will check back in with you guys. All right, so we got the truck loaded up. We got both KTMs in the back. We got all of my stuff. We got Blackstone. We got a generator back there, big cooler, gas, 2-stroke, some iced teas and stuff. And over here, we got all of our sleeping quarters, tents, easy ups, the whole 9 yards, toolkit. We could take apart an entire D-bike and put it back together. The Rompmobile is fully stacked and loaded, ready to go. Travis is coming with us today. You want to show us your setup? Take me to MTV Cribs.
Hell yeah, fast as fuck.
Look at how... Do a little stress test before we hit the highway. I think it's perfectly fine.
I think OSHA would be proud, huh? Premium.
Look at the tire!
Maybach music.
Mercedes. Chef Senior? Shot of it. Serving it up Gary's way. Travis has got a whole entire extra bike back here just in case.
Just in case.
Yeah. Look at all the bikes we got piled up here.
You hitting the triple?
John is hitting the triple.
I want to hit everything. That's my goal. He's on the race bike.
Goal is hit everything in sight.
I have the suspension to absolutely OJ everything and be allowed.
Yep.
I've never ridden this track before, Doggy. You have the advantage on me today.
It's gonna get rough.
It's good.
Danger, Dogger! They're sleeping?
What my collarbone's doing, eh?
Your hands are sleeping?
Yeah, you gotta hit that fucking jump.
Huh?
You gotta hit that
I
jump.
have a broken collarbone.
Oh, alright. Fucking Adam says it all the time like that.
Oh my God. Yeah! Get some! Get some, Travis! Get some!
America! Good silhouette. Why aren't you in there? I'm just not. Get the fuck in there. Get in there, Travis. Right now. Get in there. Go to the burnout pit.
That place never fails to put a smile on my face. It's insane. Every single year it gets crazier and crazier. Thank you all so much for watching the video. Hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the content. Leave me a comment down below. I always read all of them. And don't forget to check out the merch shop. It's in the description below. And always remember to keep on rocking.